In this problem, we want to determine all positive number replacements less than the modulus for the question mark that make the statement true. So I've listed the possible replacements. Since we're working in a mod 9 problem, my possible replacements are 0 through 8. And I'm going to try each of those and see if they work in the equation that was given. So here we have 8 times, start with 0. What does that equal? Well, 8 times 0 is 0. And since 0 is less than 9, I don't have to convert this to a mod 9 number, so I'm ready to compare that with 5 mod 9. And it's not equal, so therefore 0 is not a good number. So let's cross that one out. Now I'll try the number 1. So this is kind of tedious. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 is less than 9, so I don't need to convert it to a mod 9 number. And now I'm going to compare that to 5 mod 9. And it is not equal, so 1 doesn't work either. Now let's take a look at the number 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Now 16 is greater than 9. So I want to check to see if my number is greater than or equal to 9. 16 is greater than 9. So we do need to convert this to a mod 9 number. So there's a couple of ways to do this. I think probably the simplest way to think about this is to take 9 into 16. 9 goes in once, and the remainder is 7. So that means that 16 is equivalent to 7 in mod 9, and 7 is not equal to 5. So the number 2 didn't work either. Okay. Now let's try the number 3. I'm going to make some space here. Okay, so now let's try 8 times 3, which is equal to 24. 24 is greater than or equal to 9. And really now all the numbers are going to be greater than or equal to 9, so I can take that for granted. Let's see, so I need to convert this to a mod 9 number. It needs to come out to be something between 0 and 8. So I'm going to take 9 into 24, and 9 goes in twice with a remainder of 6. So 24 is equivalent to 6, but that's not equal to 5. We're getting closer. So let's see, it's the number 3 didn't work, so that's out. So now let's try the number 4. 8 times 4 is 32, greater than 9. So we're going to divide 9 into 32. 9 goes in 3 times. And the remainder is 5. So 32 is equivalent to 5 in mod 9. So there you go. So 4 works. So now I can continue checking the numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8, and what you'll see is none of those are going to work. There's always a pattern to these. So either you have one number that works, and in this case, let's see, we had 9 possibilities, and it took us to the 5th number to see that we found an answer that was going to work. And if you keep in mind, what were the results when we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 wound up giving us 0, 1 wound up giving us 8, 2 was 7, 3 was 6, and 4 was 5. So you can see the pattern's going to continue. 5 is going to turn out to be 4, 6 will turn out to be 3, 7 will be 2, and 8 will be 1. We don't get another 5 again. So 4 is the only one that's going to give us that answer. So there is a positive number replacement that will work, and that is the number 4. And that is our only answer for this. So you can either literally go through the whole list, or you can look to see if there's a pattern. So that's how you do that problem.